A girl's education should never be interrupted by something as natural as her monthly period. Yet, in many schools in remote areas of Kenya, the lack of access to sanitary products continues to keep some students out of the classroom.
They involve themselves with the opposite sex relationships, looking for those boys to buy for them some sanitary towels.
Without access to sanitary pads, some students are forced to stay home, missing valuable learning time and falling behind in their studies.
Spread the word. Inside and outside the home.
So Padmad, in partnership with the Gamewatchers Safaris, organized a community outreach here in Kajiado County.
We visited Lenkisem Secondary School and also Olanti Primary School to issue the reusable sanitary towels to the girls so that they can be able to attend school continuously, and also to raise awareness on menstrual health and to reduce stigma for the girls.
We've had very engaging and interactive sessions with the young boys and girls. We've discussed on issues of puberty, we've discussed on menstrual products, we've discussed about hygiene, we've also discussed about the myths and misconceptions, some of which were mentioned, some of them here in the community.
Girls are refused to come to school. They don't have sanitary towels, so they can be absent to attend the schools.
Through a partnership between Padmad, Gamewatchers Safaris, and the Wildlife Habitat Trust, support is reaching these schools and the young learners they serve, helping to restore confidence, dignity, and uninterrupted access to education.
Napenda kushukuru kwa sababu ya Gamewatchers na Padma kwa kuletea pads.
Together, we are helping ensure that no girl has to choose between her education and her period.
If you're saying this, that means you've come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to see more, please click on the subscribe button below. Gamewatchers Safaris is committed to protecting wildlife habitat and biodiversity in the conservancies where our Porini camps are located. By liking and subscribing, you are helping us to protect the conservancies that provide a safe haven for our iconic African wildlife.